Once upon a time, in a small verdant meadow, lived a little bee named Yellowjacket. Yellowjacket was not like other bees, for he had a golden coat, making him stand out among his peers. Yellowjacket was known for his cheerful nature and his love for flowers. Every morning, he would wake up with a buzz and fly to the brightest, most beautiful flowers in the meadow to collect nectar. One day, Yellowjacket found a flower he had never seen before. It was bigger and more vibrant than any flower he had ever seen. He was drawn to it, his curiosity piqued. As he approached, he noticed a tiny, frightened bunny hiding behind the flower. The bunny was shivering and looked lost. Yellowjacket, with his kind heart, felt a sudden urge to help. "Hello there, little bunny," Yellowjacket said, his voice gentle and comforting. "What seems to be the matter?" The bunny looked up at Yellowjacket, his eyes wide with fear. "I've lost my way home," he said. "I don't know how to find it." Yellowjacket thought for a moment. He had a map in his hive, but it was too detailed for the bunny to understand. Instead, he decided to take the bunny home himself. Together, they flew over the meadow, Yellowjacket leading the way. The bunny was grateful for the help, and they soon arrived at a cozy little burrow. "This is it," the bunny exclaimed, hopping out of Yellowjacket's arms. "Thank you, Yellowjacket. You've been a true friend." Yellowjacket buzzed happily, feeling proud of himself. He had helped someone in need, and in doing so, he had made a new friend. From that day forward, Yellowjacket became known throughout the meadow as not just a bee who collected nectar, but also a bee who cared for others. His golden coat shone brighter than ever, a symbol of his kindness and compassion. And so, the story of Yellowjacket spread far and wide, teaching others the importance of helping others and being kind. And every time a child heard the story, they would remember that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference.